Yeah, welcome to Rich Minded Skills, home of opportunity. And here I just want to show you this trading inside here. So stay tuned to all the entire video to see how I will just show you how the robot execute the trade, how I just select the best trade for me. As you know, always I review about the GPRS scalping V7 EA, the Mansa Musa 2.0, the Mansa Musa's, the Millionaire Academy, the Tinga Rich Freedom, the MM3 Flip Code, all these robots available. But today I just want to go use the I want just go to use the RichFreedom robot to do this the video to show you how it performs to these people who have it. But if you don't have it, also you can just go to description and just check out how you can get it, and make sure you watch the entire video, subscribe if you're new. So the first thing, once I have the robot, the first thing I just go to the high time frame, so as everything can be look well right away. Okay, I go to higher time frame, let's say 1 day, and in 1 day I just check the market, how the market is just going, so as I just want to check how the market is just going, and if I see this market it is just on uptrend, how can I it is on uptrend on but when you come in high time frame you can just see it. So just check how things are going here. Okay, so it is just an uptrend. So when we get a buy, but I will just come to confirm it on. I will just come for a checkout in 1 hour. So, but the thing I just want to do, because that thing cannot be easier to everyone. The thing I just want to do, I just tried it on 1 day time frame. I put first the robot. I allow the algo trading. I put the algo trading, and I allow the robot inside. The robot will not take a trade immediately because I do not allow the algo trading, because I have not opened opened the algo trading. But the robot is on up to this way. It is just telling you it is working, but I've not played the icon, the algo training to allow the robot to operate. So what I am just going to do inside here is just to, once I open once, then I close it. I open it like this, and then the robot gives me buy direction. So I always just trust this buy than each and everything. And then what I'm just going to do again is that I'm going to open again the algo trading. The robot will not open another trade again. But what I'm going to do here is what I'm going to do here to see, do all the time frame aligns with the buys. That's the thing I'm going to do. How can I going to do that? I just going to do this so to make I can ensure, so that I will just go also to 4 hour time frame. I will just close it. As you can see, in 4 hour time frame, it just give us a sell. It's just giving us a sell in 4 hour time frame. Again, I open the algo trading again. I go down to 1 hour time frame, and then you will see that in 1 hour time frame also the robot is just telling make consistent just on sell. And when I go to 30 minutes also, the robot start to open the buy. So the 30-minute time frame goes with 1 hour, so with 4 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame goes with 4 hour times. They comes in a one. So I'm just looking for something. So when you see buys, it's just on profit. So I just come again to check on 15 minutes to see what is going to happen in 15 minutes. And then I open the algo trading again, and I see it is also telling us a buy in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day telling us on they are inconsistent on buy. So I Okay, let's just try one time. We come again to 5 minutes to see what is happening. When you come to 1 to 5 minute time frame, also you get everything is on buy. So what I just come on, and I just say I will just remain on my buyers direction, and then I will just come and do one thing only here. I will just come and do one thing. I will just come and do one thing here. I will just, if I want to take my take profit, I will just put my take profit to this support, this resistance here, because it's a buy. I will just put it there, and I just wait. I just wait it here. Let me just click again this resistance here, and then once each one make, so I get if once these two of them eat the take profit, will be into 100 in each. But so what if I just want to add more trades? I just come to maybe 15 minutes, because also it aligns with the robot and how it takes the trades. So we just be comfortable that this trade must go to the direction we are planning, or the robot planned to go right away. So what I'm just going to do here, if I've seen everything is okay with me and my capital this one, then I want to add some more trades. What I just want to go and do is I will just go to the right corner of my this. Let me just move it this way. I will just come to here. I will just come here to this button here right away, and then I will come to this right away. I will come here and double click, and then I will just change the magic number to 4. That's what the robot, I want the robot to open more trades, so I will just need it to open some more trades, like in default 10 number of trades. I think that one will be enough for me. Yeah, is enough. Then I will let me do it this way. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So it added 12. So as you can see, we are about 49 in profit. That's how we go. Then we just come here and just see the comment section. Is the robot is working here? Is the RichFreedom robot. So this is how we work with this robot, and we wait for the profit to be generated as we are expecting right away. So this is how you all have to do. This is how you all have to do each and every time you are working with this, so as you can just make some profit. So let's just see, like, to see some 2 candlesticks on how each and everything will just happen. Are we just going to hold more loss, or just going to see more in profit? As you can see now, according to ups and downs, it just also come on holding on losses of the 49 again, like this way. So let's just see how the market, we have to leave the market, the market to breathe as normal, because it must goes up and down, ups and down, ups and down, ups and down. And also you have to risk according to your capital. So it means that if you want only to trade 2 pairs, you can just trade only 2 pairs, and then you go on side everything. As you can see, this is the first one we put on. They are still going on well. So we added this one, so we have to wait to see the market how it's going. So that's how each and everything is just going inside here. So make sure you watch the entire video to see all the performance on how everything that have gone there. And if you interested, after the end of the video, the contacts are in description. You can just contact me directly and get your copy, your robot, and in the special offer that you can also afford, and you continue making that thing that can be that can change your life on and everything, all the way from success in Forex right away. So this is how everything is just going. Let's just do it that way. Okay, and then this one we can just see it clear, like this one here. Yeah, so let's just wait to see how each and everything will go inside, and then we'll understand what we can do. Let's show Yeah. Yeah, we can see the transparency that the robot, the second candlestick comes again down, and we are holding like 60 to 70 on lows, like the way you see it. It is just holding something like this. So let's just wait to see, is it going to be washed away, or we are just going to make the to make the profit. So we have to trust the process of the robot in each and everything and the strategy. So let's just be calm and wait to see what is just going to happen together as one right away.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so as you can see, after some two candlesticks, one, two, three, four three candlesticks, we about 170, 170, 170 dollars, like this one. And our robot RichFreedom is like the way you see it, is just working performance like so. It goes up to this area here, but also it comes again down. So it started here, it goes down, it comes here, then it comes again down, then comes up, then down, it comes here, then up, then now it is also down here, as you can see. And so the market must move on its way to make its structures goes well. So let's just see, let's just wait like 1, 2, let's just wait this to close on the second to see what's happening, to see each and everything, how it is just going inside here. And the robot is RichFreedom. So if you're interested with the robot, make sure you contact me directly through my WhatsApp. You get your robot and you work on it. But if you don't have the robot, you can go, you can just if you have the robot, you can just use the same strategy I used. So as also you can just get a good way to make profit. So if you're a scalper, you can just scalp on that way. Maybe if a scalper, maybe sometimes after reaching at this point, maybe after this point, you could take your profit. Maybe on this resistance here, you could take your profit. But if not a scalper, it means that you have to hold it a little bit longer, so as you can understand how you can do it very clear right away. So let's just see how this will close here, and to see what will happen on side, and then each and everything. But I think you understand all the way how we use the robot and how we play the robot, and how we be comfortable with it after some holding on some losses, because it comes down, because the robot took here first. The first entry was this one, the second was this one, then it goes down first at this area here, and then it comes then up to this here, and now it is on this area here. So this is how it just performing. So it means that if you're not patient enough, you could even close when it is here and you close in lows. But the way you be patient, according to the robot analysis, the robot analyzes where it's just going up on up, which is buy, and then we took a buy and we wait for the profit, and the profit is just on the way, as you can see it, around 150 like that. So it's almost 70% of the account profit, 70%. So let's just wait at this to close and to see how it's just going to happen again for the final. So make sure you subscribe if you're interested. Go and backtest. Go if you want to check out. Go and check the market. The dates are down here. The dates of the market are down here. As you can see, you can just go and check. The prices are here. You can just go and check, and the candlesticks are the way it was just on consolidation on this area here. So you have opportunity to go and just watch each and everything and see each and everything, how it's just happening. It's just happening on, and just you can check how the price maybe the time, the time, this one, the prices where the entries were taken is this one, and where the market is just moving now. The market is just moving now. You can just see here how the market is just moving. The market is just moving here, around here. The market is just moving. You can see how the market is just moving. So it is just, and also the thing that I also close the algo trading, so as the robot cannot open more trade that I don't want. I just want this, only this one, are enough for me. So I think this one is nice for you. So let's just wait to see the close-up of this candlestick, and then wait to see what's going to happen if we can just make at least 100% of our capital, and then we quit away. All right, yeah. So as you can see, we are almost 100% profit. We are almost 100% profit. And then, so in the final, that if you have the robot, this is how the way you can use it. Very clear, and you make some profits, and you make. So if you need to hold more, you have to understand it need patience, it needs no more emotions, respect to the market discipline, we call it, so that you can just hold that thing to the maximum, that at the point that you yourself you want it to be. As you can see here, maybe, so if maybe sometimes you want to hold it up to this area here where I put it my TP here, it means that you can just also, you can just, it is just so a matter of patience. It is a matter of you now. It is not a matter of robot. So being patient is just a matter of you and the market. The way you can just you can have this ability to wait for each and everything to go up to where it just be can just be there. So as you can see, we are almost in our profit, which is just 100% profit up, 100% profit up. This is how it just goes, and we take a trade here, and then now we are on that process. So make sure you inside when make sure you do it like the way I do it. Make practice, so as you get the ways you can just go inside. Very clear, very nice. You make some profits. Thank you for watching. My name is Joe, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and all my channels are in description. You can just go and click and then join my Telegram channel. And if you are interested with the robot, make sure you come on it and you practice much, and you make what you can make. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Homeclary, homage explosive, triumphant fist bumping, flip that.